4 quite a slow? That's not English.
Right, that's wrong.
It's just wrong. Incorrect.
Doesn't make sense.
Makes no sense.
You're drunk.
Go home, you're drunk, Joe. In this video, we're going to show you how to make plank cooked Pil Pil prawns. Now, Pil Pil prawns are normally cooked nice and slowly in plenty of oil with plenty of sliced garlic. We're going to turn that on its head a little bit and do it in Roccbox. So what we're going to do is roast a whole garlic bulb to give us some really nice, mild, buttery garlic. We're going to make an amazing Pil Pil seasoning that we're going to toss the prawns in before cooking them on a plank super fast in Roccbox. That plank's going to give us a really nice background smokiness to the prawns, and the speed of cook is going to mean they remain ridiculously moist. So let's get going. The first thing we're going to do is roast a whole bulb of garlic. So just lop the top off, and then we're just going to wrap that in foil. It's normally a good idea to wrap this twice because Roccbox is so hot. Just gives you that extra bit of protection. So this is going to go into a hot Roccbox, 500 degrees or 900 degrees Fahrenheit, about 15 minutes or so, which gives us plenty of time to get on with everything else. So the first thing we're going to do is make our Pil Pil seasoning. This is made up of some lovely, really aromatic herbs and spices. It's such a lovely flavour combination. This will make a bit more than you'll need. Chuck a spoonful of this through some pasta, use it on any kind of shellfish, any grilled fish. It's wicked. It's nice to have just knocking about. So we're going to start with 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. And we're going to add to that 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Then we've got half a tablespoon of garlic powder. So we've got 1 tablespoon of herbs de Provence, or you might see it called Mediterranean mixed herbs. Half a teaspoon of chili powder. Half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And then we've got half a teaspoon of oregano. And a nice tablespoon of salt. So once they're all in there, just give it a little mix up. Oh, that smells very good. And while our garlic's cooking, we can now crack on with our prawns. We've got raw tiger prawns here. Here they are. There he is. Hello. So we're going to de-shell these guys and cook them without the shell on. So quite often when you cook prawns, you'll leave the shell on. Because we're going to cook these so fast on the plank and in Roccbox, they're just going to retain that moisture so nicely that we're fine to peel them. Excellent. You're just going to pull the head off and then peel the shell all the way around. So we're going to leave the tail on at the end there. A, visually it looks wicked, and B, it gives you something to kind of hold on to as well when you're eating them. So just there you'll see his little track just sticking out, and if you just grab hold of that and give it a little pull, and it will come out. And keep these, keep the heads, keep the shells. They can make a soup, they can make you a delicious prawn oil. So our prawns have been de-shelled, de-veined, and they're now ready to rock and roll, go in our Pil Pil and be cooked. So give your hands a wash, get your plank ready, get all your other equipment together, and we're ready to cook. Okay, so we're about ready to cook now. So what I've got here is a cedar plank. You can buy these online. There's lots available. You get different woods as well, so that will give you a slightly different flavour profile to whatever you're cooking. Plank cooking is wicked. It's one of the oldest forms of cooking that we know. So this is a great way to kind of channel your inner caveman, if you like. What we're going to benefit from this is as the food cooks on the plank, it will smoke and it will pop and it will crackle, makes the most insane noises, and it will release some of the aromas, and some of that smoke flavour will go into whatever we're cooking, in this case prawns. So really cool thing to do, really good fun, but it's very important that you soak this for 4 hours before you cook it. Otherwise it will catch fire. 4 hours in cold water, fully submerged. Stick a tin of tomatoes on there or a beer or whatever you've got knocking about. Okay, so our garlic has had about 15 minutes in there. You don't want to open this up yet. You want to keep the heat in there for now, so just give it a little feel and it should feel soft. You also need a couple of tools when using Roccbox. So it's good to have a palette knife and a set of tongs. Our prawns are all ready to go. We've got our Pil Pil seasoning here, and what we're going to do is just sprinkle it over. 3 good grabs like that. I'm going to give these a good toss. Just be careful when you're tossing because the prawn tail will be a little bit sharp. Okay, so nice to toss, just lime on your plank. So Roccbox has been on, it's fully saturated, fully preheated, so that's 500 degrees in there, or 900 degrees Fahrenheit if that's the way you roll. What we're going to do now is just turn the flame down to its lowest setting just before we put the plank in. When we do plank cooking in Roccbox as well, it's very important we just use that front third of the oven. Those cracks, those crackles, those little splits you can hear, that's the wood, as the moisture's coming out of the wood and the wood's starting to actually burn. So if we hadn't soaked that, we'd just have a fire in there now. So after about 2 minutes or so, we're going to rotate this plank 180 degrees, cook it for another 2 minutes, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, so these guys have had about 2.5 minutes each side. Open up our roasted garlic, which you can see has just taken on a beautiful colour, and it's super soft now. And just give this a squeeze into your bowl. Good load of olive oil. And because the garlic's warm and because the prawns are warm, this oil's just going to develop the most amazing pil pil flavour. So give it a little mash up with a fork and then get your prawns in. Okay, another little load of oil, quick handful of parsley, and there you go. Plank cooked pil pil prawns. A little nod to the traditional Spanish tapas of gambas pil pil. We've made those better in Roccbox by using a soaked plank to get that really nice kind of smoky flavour through the prawns, by roasting a whole bulb of garlic, and the moistness of these prawns will be incredible. I'm going to eat one. That is a thing of beauty. Really spicy, really fiery, but also smoky. Like that. The best bit comes when you've eaten all these prawns. I'll try and show you anyway. When you've eaten all these prawns and all that pil pil is kind of sunk to the bottom, and as you pop the bread in there, this garlicky pil pil oil soaked into the bread, and that is what I go to school for. Cowabunga.